The role of a big rig accident attorney. Big rig accidents, often involving large commercial trucks, tractor-trailers, or semi-trucks, can result in devastating consequences including severe injuries, property damage, and even fatalities. In the aftermath of such incidents, navigating the complex legal landscape can be overwhelming for victims and their families. This is where the expertise of a skilled big rig accident attorney becomes indispensable. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the crucial role of a big rig accident attorney, their responsibilities, and the steps involved in pursuing legal recourse after such catastrophic events. Understanding big rig accidents. Big rig accidents are a distinct category of vehicular collisions due to the sheer size and weight of the vehicles involved. These accidents often result in catastrophic outcomes due to factors such as high speed, driver fatigue, mechanical failures, and improper cargo loading. The consequences can include severe injuries such as traumatic brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, fractures, and internal organ damage, as well as significant property damage. The role of a big rig accident attorney. A big rig accident attorney specializes in handling legal cases involving accidents with large commercial vehicles. Their primary role is to advocate for the rights of the victims and pursue just compensation for their losses. Here's a detailed overview of their responsibilities. Legal counsel and representation. A big rig accident attorney provides legal counsel to victims and their families, guiding them through the complexities of the legal process. They represent their clients in negotiations with insurance companies, trucking companies, and other parties involved in the accident. Investigation and evidence gathering. One of the critical tasks of a big rig accident attorney is to conduct a thorough investigation into the circumstances surrounding the accident. This may involve gathering evidence such as accident reports, witness statements, surveillance footage, black box data from the truck, and expert opinions on factors like driver negligence or vehicle defects. Liability determination. Establishing liability is essential in big rig accident cases. A skilled attorney will work to determine who was at fault for the accident, whether it be the truck driver, the trucking company, a third-party contractor, or another party. They may also assess liability for factors such as negligent maintenance, improper training, or violations of federal trucking regulations. Negotiation and settlement. Many big rig accident cases are resolved through out-of-court settlements. An experienced attorney will negotiate on behalf of their client to secure a fair and adequate settlement that covers medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and other damages. If a settlement cannot be reached, the attorney will be prepared to take the case to trial and advocate for their client in court. Advocacy for victims' rights. Beyond securing financial compensation, a big rig accident attorney serves as a dedicated advocate for the rights and interests of their clients. They ensure that victims receive the medical care and support they need during their recovery process, and they fight for justice on behalf of those who have suffered due to the negligence or wrongdoing of others. Steps involved in pursuing legal recourse. If you've been involved in a big rig accident, taking the following steps can help protect your rights and strengthen your case. Seek medical attention. Your health and safety should be the top priority. Seek medical attention immediately, even if your injuries seem minor. Document all medical treatment received, including hospital visits, doctor's appointments, and rehabilitation sessions. Report the accident. Contact law enforcement to report the accident and obtain an official accident report. This document will be crucial for your case. Gather evidence. Collect as much evidence as possible from the accident scene, including photos of vehicle damage, skid marks, road conditions, and any visible injuries. Obtain contact information from witnesses who can provide statements regarding the accident. Do not admit fault. Avoid making any statements or admissions of fault at the accident scene or to insurance adjusters. Anything you say could potentially be used against you later. Consult with a big rig accident attorney. As soon as possible, schedule a consultation with a reputable big rig accident attorney who has experience handling cases similar to yours. Provide your attorney with all relevant information and documentation related to the accident. Conclusion. Big rig accidents can have life-altering consequences for victims and their families. In the aftermath of such traumatic events, having a skilled and compassionate big rig accident attorney on your side can make all the difference. From providing legal guidance and representation to advocating for your rights and pursuing just compensation, these professionals play a vital role in helping victims navigate the complexities of the legal system and rebuild their lives after tragedy. If you've been involved in a big rig accident, don't hesitate to seek the assistance of a qualified attorney who can help you pursue the justice and compensation you deserve.